In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the transcript of any YouTube video with n8n. Start by opening your n8n workflow. We're going to build this with just two nodes. Add an on-form submission trigger and an HTTP request node to the canvas. Open the form submission node to set it up so users can paste a YouTube link. Give the form a clear title and a short description so people know what it does. Click Add Form Element. Add a label that makes sense, and set the element type to text input so it accepts a URL. When you're done, close the tab to save your form changes. Next, head over to console.apify.com and search for the YouTube transcript scraper. Open its page, then open the API dropdown and click API Endpoints. Here you'll see different ways to call the actor. Copy the link for Run Actor synchronously and get dataset items. This endpoint returns the results only when the transcript is ready, which saves you from polling. Go back to n8n and open your HTTP request node. Paste that URL into the URL field. Turn on Send Body and set the body content type to JSON. In the body section, set the input to JSON and then change the input mode from fixed to expression so you can map the value from the form at runtime. Switch back to Apify. On the endpoints page, change the example from form to JSON and copy the JSON payload you see. This shows the exact field names the actor expects. Return to n8n and paste that JSON into the HTTP request body so your request matches the actor's schema. Now connect the on-form submission node to the HTTP request node so the form output becomes the HTTP payload. Back on Apify, switch the example from JSON back to form. Paste your own YouTube URL into the example's URL field, then copy it so you can use a real link for testing in a moment. This helps confirm which field holds the video link. Return to n8n and click Execute Workflow. Your form will open, paste the YouTube link into the text field and click Save. You should receive a success message indicating the HTTP request completed. Open the HTTP request node's output panel and you'll see the transcript data. It typically arrives as structured items, either full text or chunks, so expand the data to view the transcript. If you need the full text, you can later join the segments in a code node or send them to a Google Doc, but for now you've successfully pulled the transcript using n8n and Apify.